Hi friends, good evening. Today it is March 3rd and we are at 11 o'clock. So I was doing some work, so I got a little bit late. But anyway, I posted my view for tomorrow to my LinkedIn followers around 6 o'clock in the evening itself. Let's go to the chart and see what we discussed yesterday and what happened, whether the market respected our numbers or not. Okay. Uh, let's go to the PPT. So clearly mentioned till it is below all these number, Nifty is bearish, and this was the day which we need to follow. Okay, weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low will decide the trend of the market. The first, it was a gap up and it was a fake one, and even the first 1 minute high it is not able to break. So after it broke the 30 minutes low, it was a clear fall, and market closed somewhere near to the low, but sudden spike was there in between around 3 o'clock, and suddenly market went up by 100 points, and then Bank Nifty went by 400 points. But it all happened at our number only. Even though it came down, it took exact support from our number, and from there it jumped by 400 points. Let's see how it is. See, if you go to this, this is the number for monthly. Buy above this, sell below this. Okay, if you take Bank Nifty future low today is 34,834. Break below this, it is bearish. Exactly, it came and touched this number, and from there it gave a bounce of 400 points, around 310. All the short players, those who sold, and were sitting in profit, suddenly everything was wiped out in the matter of 5 minutes, and it took exact support from this number, exact support. Okay, so we will see how it works. We will see in chart. Again, I'm telling, this is not the time to do your bottom fishing. Again and again, I'm telling you this. So please be very careful on positional long. Only metal index was rocking, which I predicted in the month of January, saying that metal index will rock from February. You can go and watch video. The videos are available in YouTube. Okay, so the targets also I've given here, so you can go and watch all those targets. And today, okay, we'll go to the chart and then we will discuss everything. Okay, so this is Nifty. We trade in future, and this is my indicator. And today it opened here on the top, which was the fake actually. And once it broke, I've told all my followers, once it gives the sell indication on 1 minute, kindly go short. And we are able to capture the entire rally. And whenever it went and touched to my blue color, it got resisted, and again it was a good fall. And again, this was a fake buy because this candle high is not broken. Again, started falling. Again, this also a fake buy. Again, started falling and closed here. Okay, so now based on 5 minutes time frame, it's looking bullish, bearish. But if you go to daily, this I will show you first future. We will go to 15 minutes. Okay, so this was the monthly bearish number for Nifty future, 34,834, which I already told you in the beginning of my video. It came exactly, touched that low, and from there it gave a bounce of 500 points, roughly around 400 points, but it is unable to go above our intraday number, and it closed below. But coming to daily, today Bank Nifty, it closed at very crucial level. If it breaks today's low, it will be very dangerous for Bank Nifty. It has to sustain today's low, or maximum it has to supply, it has to sustain above this 20th December low. Earlier, Nifty was struggling here, but now Bank Nifty also started struggling more than Nifty, and today it closed below the 21st December high and low. Okay, so this has to hold, otherwise we will face a lot of problem in Bank Nifty. And if you take Nifty, it is trading within this 20th December high and low, which was the mega day, high and low for more than 3-4 days. And tomorrow it will bust one side. It may be on the upper side or it may be on the downside. But looks like that, it will try to break on the downside only, but we don't know. Let's watch it. But any side, if it breaks, it's going to be a bigger move, because Nifty future numbers again converge to a very tight point of 3 points. So the bust will happen mostly by tomorrow. And this is what I mentioned yesterday also. Anytime the bust will happen, and most probably I'm thinking that the bust will happen tomorrow, right? So it is trading within the 20th December high and low. I'm talking about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So tomorrow is very, very crucial for both. So first, again, 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. You can, use the, whatever indicator which you use, you can use it and try to, capture the trend. And coming to PPT for tomorrow. Today, Tatacom did very well. That was my yesterday's pick. That's because of trend change rate. And tomorrow, the first trend change rate is happening for Mindtree. So kindly watch Mindtree. And this I already mentioned. So any break below, because today also Bank Nifty came very near to the low of March 2nd, which was the first trend change date of March. It came very near to that number and closed a little above. So break below, as I already mentioned, break below 2nd March low, you will see minimum 750 points in Bank Nifty and 250 points in Nifty. This I've already given you yesterday itself, and I'm continuing it. Okay. So Nifty future again converged, the tight range was there. So mostly it will expand tomorrow either side. So it will be mostly a trending move tomorrow. And Bank Nifty I've already mentioned 34,834. Below this it is bearish. And the only positive thing is RSI on 1 hour basis, it was showing positive divergence in Nifty. So we need to watch, because the follow through has to be there. Whether the follow through is going to come tomorrow on the upper side or on the downside, we don't know. First 15 minutes high and low will take care of everything. So I've already talked about Mindtree for tomorrow, and numbers is already here. Okay, and I've already posted in my social media, so you can use this number. Intraday number, delivery number, daily number, everything I've already given. And coming to this, all the 4 closed in red. And coming to Bank Nifty, all the 4 closed in red. So let's see what happens tomorrow. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And as I already mentioned before March starting, that March month belongs to IT, but it is up today itself. It's started all went up by 2% and 2.5%. But the real date happening only on the 2nd week of March. Once it comes, I will definitely try to do a video on Nifty IT. And I already told you that most of yesterday video, I covered most of the indices, saying that every indices is at the weekly support, except FMCG. So no need to touch FMCG as of now. Most of the other indices are at the bottom. So if it holds, it's okay. But again, it is not a bottom fishing time. Let's see how far it is going again up, and then it started coming down. But according to me, it is showing it is weak only. Let's wait and watch for tomorrow and see what happens. So all the numbers I have already given. So watch it and use it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stocks, cryptos, mutual funds, and other stuff. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye.